I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the Digital Photo Stand at IBC 2019. We're going to take a look at the Ares 4th axis stabilizer and the Thanos Pro.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So I'm with Ivan at the Digital Photo Stand. Tell me about the Ares 4th axis stabilizer.
Okay, during many people using the DJI Ronin-S or the Crane 2, they always feel it's too heavy, right? And also sometimes they feel there's no place for mounting monitor or microphone. So actually this is the one solution for the above problem. The first one is it's too heavy. So with this dual hander is always easier for more than the one hander. The second one is, as you can see, there are two 1/4 screw holder for mounting a monitor or microphone here. So the most important use is it can reduce up and down bounce by 30%.
Wow.
Yeah. That's the basic most important use of this Z-axis. Yeah.
And what are these costing right now?
$175.
Okay, brilliant.
Yeah.
And this handle is this is something new, isn't it? This handle.
Yeah, that's right. This handle is basically for the Moza Air 2 and the Crane 2 also. Yeah.
So that gives you similar capability to like the Crane 3
Yeah,
lab.
that's right. That's
so
right.
You get the overhead
Yeah,
handle.
yeah,
Brilliant.
That's right.
And these are out now, are they?
Yeah, it's available.
Great. And how much are those?
It's right now €70.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
right.
brilliant.
And
Right.
and with the camera strap together.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's right.
yes, fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic, brilliant. Right, well,
Okay.
let's have a look at the Thanos Pro, because this is a whole system, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Thanos Pro, as you can see, is including the supporting vest, and this we call it a yoke and the collar. Okay, and this one is the dual hander, Z-axis.
So this
Okay.
So this mounts to the vest, and then you put the camera on the other end.
Yes, and you can connect with each other. As we know that during the DJI Ronin-S or the Crane 2 shooting, also have the problem of the wet.
Yeah.
And also have the problem of Z-axis up and down bounce. So with this dual hander, it serves the problem of up and down bounce. Okay, and with this vest, you can liberate your two hands, and also you can release the weight to your shoulder, the vest, and the back. So that's the most important use of the vest and arm. And this one, actually we have the first edition of the Thanos, and the Thanos have the one problem is that during the shooting, the arm will limit the motion movement. So with this, okay, you can see you can achieve rotatable very easily.
Yeah.
And also you can do down shooting or up shooting. So without any problem.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And is this available now? Because this is
Yeah,
quite
it's
new,
available.
isn't it?
So yeah.
Oh, right. So how much is the complete kit?
Complete case is $850.
Brilliant. That's
Yeah,
not
that's
bad
right.
At all. That's not bad at all.
And the weight bear is 6 to 9 kilogram.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, payload. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay.
That was Ivan. That was the Thanos Pro. That's the Ares. I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. We're going to keep looking around IBC and see what else we can find. Don't forget, we're giving away $5,000 worth of cinema goodies, so check the link in the description below for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.